Good morning, Ravindra. Good morning, Avinash.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Very good morning.
Good morning, Shri Shail. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly.
Hello.
Good morning, Garima.
हाँ, खाली छत, खाली ऊपर वाला, हाँ, और फिर दरवाजा जरूर बंद दबा देना.
Garima, your voice is. You have to mute yourself, unless you want to speak. Good morning, Rupali. Good morning, Teresa. Good morning, Ratna Prasad. Good morning, Manish. So every day we're going to use the first half an hour to reflect upon what we learned yesterday, our thinking, what did we sleep over yesterday, understood. Remember what Mandi sir said, learning is extremely personal. It's a personal journey. We're going to do a lot of self-reflection throughout the 5 days. So my question to all of you is, if you have a notebook, please take out a notebook and a pen. If you don't have a notebook, please do get a notebook. And my question to all of you was, what was your biggest learning yesterday? It's your personal learning, not what you were exposed to, not what you gathered, but on reflecting on yesterday, what was your biggest learning from yesterday?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I think what I learned from yesterday was that it is very important to start from the scratch. It is very important to start from the very beginning, and everything should be very, very viable, and it should always start with a very, very customer-centric approach. Unless you have that in mind, nothing will lead to anything. And if you have that in mind, then revenue will follow automatically.
Got it. Thank you, Dr. Tripti. Where are you from, Dr. Tripti?
I'm from Lucknow, Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management and Development Studies.
Okay. I had met your colleague in one of the breakout rooms.
Group, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you for your sharing, Dr. Tripti. Anybody else?
Good morning, sir. Myself, Anita. I'm from Chennai. My greatest learning is anything is possible. So what I'm learning is like if you have the will, you can do anything, and also certain things I'm not able to agree with those things yesterday, whatever we learned, but that up to the individual personality. So otherwise, it's a good start.
No, but what you shared is very powerful. Is anything is possible. I am inspired by that. Anybody else? Thank you, Anita, for your sharing. Who wants to go next?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Shubhangi.
Sir, I think we teach students to we teach academic things, but we cannot teach the student about the marketing things. So I think marketing is very necessary in the education also, so that student can learn to sell the things that they have made.
Okay. And where are you from, Shubhangi?
Yes, sir.
Which college and where are you from?
Jai Hind College of Engineering, Narayangaon, Junar district.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your sharing, Shubhangi.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
What I have learned is working with the team, because we we were strangers before, and we suddenly got into a team and convincing each other and speaking for the first time and making comfortable with each other. It's a new learning for me. That is what I have learned.
Good. And where are you from? From Mangalore.
Yes, sir. I'm from Mangalore, Sahyadri College of Engineering.
Sahyadri College of Engineering. Just can I ask you one question, Shushma? So, working with the team, what's your role in the college?
Actually, we have a center for social innovation in our college, and I'm the trainer for social innovation, entire social innovation structure.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Working with the team, you're beginning to learn that.
Yeah, because we usually teach students as they come first time for the college, and when we make a team for the workshop and other stuff, and we believe that they can do it. But now, as I am a student, I'm learning how much it is difficult and how much time it will take to get comfortable with new people. That is what I have learned, and convincing others is also one of the biggest tasks I feel.
Okay. Good. Good. Thank you for your sharing, Sushma.
Thank you.
We also learn by sharing. So the three kinds of learning by when we share. First we reflect for ourselves, which is why the notebook is important for us to write down what is important. Then when we are sharing, some people learn better when they are expressing themselves. As you're sharing, you're learning. And when you're sharing, you're also allowing others to understand a little bit more. So it also becomes an invitation for other people who have got it, but in your articulation, it becomes even more clear for others. So you learn by reflecting, learn by sharing, learn by listening to other people sharing. Okay. So all throughout our exercises, throughout our day, we are always going to do things, but we are also going to reflect on what we did so that whatever we learn become ingrained within us. And we also help others in their journey. Anybody else would like to share? What did you learn most yesterday? What did you learn? Learning is very personal.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, good morning to you all. Yesterday, what I learned is that the assignments which we are giving to the students from semester to semester, they should be linked in a series and form the chain like things. and finally it should result to the start of things.
Good. Thank you. That was a very powerful concept of assignments in series, all leading to one end result.
Yeah.
No? Can you introduce yourself a little bit, Patil sir? Where are you from?
I'm working in Sweri College of Engineering as
Oh, you're
professor.
in Sweri. Okay. Which department are you in, Sweri?
Pardon?
Which department are you from?
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Patil, for your share. Others?
Namaste and good morning to all. This is Dr. Anita Bobde and I am the HOD of Management Studies in University of Mumbai. And certain takeaways for me I have already mentioned in my feedback. But what I realized, that there are 5 P's of learning. We teach each student, different P's, 4 P's and 7 P's and things like that. But these 5 P's, which yesterday was mentioned, we can apply in any of our sessions. That is, it has to be practical, productive, personal, and such things. Proprietary, I still remember, and that is one more thing. And what I realized is, the power of network. Suddenly, when we were interacting on this, Scopus, I got to know Rupali Kulkarni ma'am, who is also in the same field. Means I am also a financial literacy activist, having almost more than 20 years of work in financial services and then come to academics. I am also financial literacy activist. And then it was nice to know that, there are similar minded people. And yes, there is a great chance for, teamwork and networking and collaborating. So that is a big takeaway yesterday for me, apart from the new tools that I learned.
Brilliant. Thank you, Dr. Anita. And you are based where you said? I'm sorry. Mumbai.
Yes.
Where in Mumbai are you from?
Basically, I am working for a management institution which is situated in Dadar. Very much
what is it
near
called?
Siddhi Vinayak. Naveen Chandra Mehta Institute of Technology and Development. We have an MCA program and we also have an MBA program.
Yeah. Thank you. I used to go to Siddhi Vinayak when I was in Bombay. Long time back.
Next time you come, do visit us.
Yes, I will. Definitely. Thank you. Anyone else? We'll take the last one before we move forward. Anybody, one last share? Are you capturing this on a mural, Girish?
Yes, all captured.
Can you show us the mural? Let participants also see that.
Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear for me. Girish, can you upload this mural on Mighty Networks?
Will do.
Hmm? And we can go forward. You can do it now itself, actually.
Yeah.
We'll wait for you. You can close your screen, actually, and then do it and upload it. And I'll request participants to post whatever they learned at the beginning of the sessions, end of the sessions, during the sessions. During the sessions, we are using the Zoom chat so that our focus remains here. We're also going to do a lot of work together in teams. So you may not have the time to reflect upon what you're learning. But whenever you feel that you have learned something, put it on paper. And once you put it on paper, put it on Mighty Networks so that other people can also add to your learning or learn from your learning. And when you start posting, when you start writing, your thoughts also become a lot clearer. So take this opportunity to articulate what you're learning. Otherwise, it remains slightly fuzzy. Okay, but this is a non-linear way of learning. Since most of us are from engineering backgrounds and also from management backgrounds, management less so, but in engineering, we tend to rely mostly on a very linear analytical approach. We have to also balance that with a creative, non-linear approaches. And learning is essentially non-linear. Okay. So we'll go, Girish, to the next session. Okay. We'll start off from where we left yesterday on the beginner's mind. What is a beginner's mind? And some of the responses that you are giving about the expert and the person who is asking, who's an entrepreneur, a new entrepreneur, and some of the things that you put are brilliant. It's exactly what happens when there's a mentor coming in and explaining to entrepreneurs how to start an organization. The entrepreneur, a new person, a student, or any one of you who's just beginning to start has a beginner's mindset. And it's a very, very powerful and a necessary condition if you want to develop something groundbreaking. A beginner's mind is without any judgment, no ego, or understanding that there is an ego, and coming from a place of learning and a place of possibility. For example, this beginner's mind is very evident in children, small children especially. You can't stop them from asking questions. It's because they are very, very curious. They always want to know why this, why that. You tell them you can't drink cold water during summer. They'll ask you why. One thing, we sometimes as parents get completely irritated with that. But they ask you why? Tell us why. They continuously asking you questions all the time because they have a beginner's mind. Their world is full of possibility. They have no judgment. And great artists, great scientists, great designers, great social entrepreneurs, people whom I have interacted with, great CEOs, big CEOs, they always come with a very beginner's mind. It is what makes them very, very powerful. It is contrary to what we imagine them to be. But they actually come with a very powerful, very childlike curiosity. So they drop the hat of the expert. I will tell you all these things, but it is not nearly as powerful as me getting you to do something. Okay? So we're going to go into groups. Girish is going to divide into groups. Girish, there are 46 participants. I don't want to be in any group, Girish.
Yeah, fine.
So if you're dividing them, don't put me in any group. Mm-hmm. I want you to put them in 5 groups. Okay? 5 groups. And the 5 groups is very simple. It's called a 10 by 10 ideation technique. But it is trying to find 100 uses of this, of a pen. You have to come up as a group of 100 uses for a pen. Is the assignment clear? There are no wrong answers, there are no right answers, there are no crazy answers. Everything is valid. 100 uses of this object, which is currently called a pen. Okay? Is the assignment clear? Is the assignment not clear to anybody? How much time we have, Girish, for them? 10 minutes?
15 minutes will go.
15 minutes to 200 होना चाहिए.
10 minutes.
10, because you don't want them to, they are not going to evaluate, they are going to pour ideas.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 100 uses of pen, shall we write on this or
We'll give you a
shall we
mural.
discuss in the meeting?
We'll give you a mural.
Okay.
We're discussing in the mural first and then putting it in the mural.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yes.
once you put that into mural, you're going to share it on Mighty Networks, like what we did yesterday. After 10 minutes over, you come back to the group. Okay, and we'll discuss what happened. Assignment is clear? 100 uses of this object, which is now called a pen. It can be called anything else based upon the use that it has.
So can you repeat once again? Hello, sir.
इसके 100 प्रयोग क्या हैं? 100 uses of this object which is called a pen. Pilot pen है ये. ठीक है? 100 uses, 100 uses of this product. How many different uses can you think of this product? I'm not going to explain more. It's very clear, very simple. If you're struggling with it, you're in a very good place. Okay. So I will put you into groups, Girish. Assignment is clear. They have 10 minutes and they have 100 post-its to fill. Okay. I'd give a suggestion, go wild. Okay. If you don't go wild, you're not going to get it. Okay. Put them into groups, Girish. We'll see.
Exactly. I'm going to Deepakji, you will also be pushed into a room. You just come out of the breakout room.
Yes, I realized. I thought so. When I was going through my mind, I think they will force me into a group. I have to get out of a group.
You have to get out.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So.
Mural to us, or how do we do it when we are in the?
Yes. Girish, you'll have to share the murals to everybody. Huh?
Yeah.
How are you going to do that?
I have the links. I will share. Akanksha,
individually, or it is only one room mural?
No. In the we'll have 5 groups and 5 murals, right?
Yeah.
Please share it on WhatsApp group also.
Yeah. Fine.
We will share that mural link, but just start talking first. Don't worry, the mural is just a place for you to put it. But first you have to start discussing. If you don't discuss, you can't have anything to put. Okay, think of it like a workshop where you have given a wall to or a poster to write, but first you have to discuss to something for the poster to be used.
Okay, so I'm going to open all the rooms.
Yeah. Yeah, there are people still here, Girish?
No, right now I've automatically assigned participants. So, yeah, I think certain people are still here.
Yeah. How is that?
They still have to click and like accept and join a room.
Okay, okay.
I'll just pull out the links till that time. So each group gets a link. Separate link. Copied. Group 1. Akanksha has already shared it.
Okay. With all the groups?
Yeah, she's put it on chat here. 5 links.
Okay. So of all the people who are here who have not clicked, they are essentially Baba Sahib, you also have to click onto a room to join.
Okay, maybe I'll just assign you to a room.
Yeah, can you assign all of them?
Yeah,
Baba
yeah,
Sahib,
I'll just-
Shubhangi, Prashant,
room 4.
Patil, Rupali.
Assigned to room 2.
And Akanksha and Swastika, you should ask them not to stick to one room.
Yeah, that's what.
Not their room. Okay.
Yeah. I'll just head into every room and just check in.
You can message, no? You can message.
I can only message broadcast to all the rooms. I mean, individually I can message Akanksha.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, individually make it Akanksha that don't remain in one group. But she's a co-host in one group, no? That's getting recorded.
No problem. I've asked her to jump to every room.
Yeah. Please do that with Swastika. Swastika is also here. Swastika, we can hear your voice, yeah. Prashant, can you assign Prashant Patil, sir?
No, it's not giving me the option. Probably they have to click. Prashant, sir, you're here in this call. I think because if they don't click, then they will not be able to join a room.
Okay.
Some people join in with multiple devices. So probably the other device is already inside. So.
Possible. Could you check that? Can you check it?
I mean,
breakout room में check कर सकते हैं ना? Room 1 you put Prashant, but
Prashant not joined करके आ रहा है. Okay. So because he hasn't clicked join.
Okay. So group 1 has Avinash, Chetan has joined.
Swastika, you are here. I think Swastika has also joined from it.
I'm here.
Just jump into every room and make sure you start the recording and also just check in that everyone is fine.
Okay, yeah.
So group 5 has all the people. Rupali Kulkarni has not joined room 5.
Girish,
sir.
Can you drop me in group number 3? Already I'm there, but now I have started it on PC.
This is Limkar, sir, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Room 3, I will join. Make you join, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Girish, can you go to room 1? Because
problem क्या है?
The conversation is very quiet.
It's okay. It's okay. Actually, Akanksha, can you go to room 1? Just go to room 1.
All the murals on the group.
Yeah. Don't. Girish does not leave the plenary. That's the reason. So Swastika, either you go or Akanksha go to room 1.
I'm already in a room through my other phone. I'm on a laptop and on a phone.
Same here.
What happened?
We are on a laptop as well as a phone.
So
we are on rooms.
Sorry?
Already in rooms through the laptop, to the mobile.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying, right?
Okay.
So सांगायचं त्यांना फोन करायला. गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग. बर.
Can you increase
फोन
the
करायला
time,
सांगू त्यांना आपण.
Girish? No.
Increase the
Time.
no. We have to close it and then we can't increase
Brilliant.
the time.
Brilliant, brilliant. New people have joined near late.
Yeah. Yeah, we will put them.
For people who have joined in late, I'm talking to Dr. Somnath, Akshay, and Ganesh. We are going to put you in a breakout room, and the exercise for you is to find 100 users for this product, which is a pen. They are anyway started working, so we can join them. So we can hear you singing. You have to either mute yourself.
Good morning, Akshay. Akshay, good morning.
दोन सेकंदात बरं का जस्ट मी काय करत होतो माहिती स्टँड
Akshay, we can hear you.
I'll mute him.
You can mute him.
Only 2 minutes left. Did I not set?
That's what I'm saying.
I think you should give them 5 minutes more.
Yeah.
But he can't increase the time now.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Did it? 15 minutes I had set, right, when I started?
No, you did not.
What?
That's okay. You have to now change them and put them back. You can do that, no? Rooms will still remain same.
Yeah, rooms will remain the same.
Can you broadcast a message saying that we had we will
give you more time.
We'll give more time, but the groups will get disconnected, and the rooms will end in 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes, I think.
1.5 minutes.
But we will
start
start again.
buster, as a stress buster, and unpinning the stapler pin. Amit sir, you can also write some points. Bhavna ma'am is also writing.
Ma'am, we are back in the main room.
Okay, unpinning the stapler pin and can used as a tool as a SIM card pin remover.
Deepak sir,
As
you
a
are
Juda pin.
muted.
Time
Yeah,
up.
as-
Thank you, Anita. Is time
Yes,
up?
time is
but,
up. Yes, time is up.
But hold on. Some people have requested more time. We're going to give you more time. Go back in the rooms. Okay?
Okay.
Anita,
Okay,
you're on mute.
Mural is not working, sir. For us, it is not
Sir,
opening.
Bhavna ma'am, he is saying that they will give us more time.
Why is Mural not working? Akanksha, can you have a look at it? Girish?
Which group is that?
4. Group number 4.
Group 4.
Other Mural, group 1, room 1. Working for room 1. Somebody from room 1 has to say, raise their hands. Raise their hands. Say something. Group 1.
I
Room
read
1
out
is
group 1. Avinash Kokre, Dr. Anita Bobde, Sonali
Yes, sir,
Patel.
that we have written it down on a paper because that mural is not working. We just discussed, and so far we have got 15 uses of it.
Okay. Girish, can you have a look why it is not opening for them?
Maybe if we can just check it out right now. Akanksha, you just want to look at it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Group 4. Try this link and see if it works. Group 4.
Put it back. Group 4, can you do the same thing for, let me try group 4. I should be able to access, no? People in group 4, can you access your mural?
Yes.
So group
Can
4
you
does
do
not
for
have a
group-
problem.
Yeah, group 3, can you put for group 3 Akanksha? Or Girish? Either one.
I think group 3 works.
No,
Just put it here. Put it here. Paste it. Don't worry.
Sir, for group 2, the page is not opening.
Yes, Patil sir. We will just put it again here. So group 4 link is there in the chat.
Sir,
Group,
whether I can share the screen so that you can have a look at it. It says that we can't find that page.
yes, I'll give you.
We'll go group by group. Now we are at group 3, right?
Yeah.
Akanksha shared group 2.
Group 2 members, can you have a look at your the group chat and see whether the link works for you? Group 2.
Yeah, we'll see. Now, same message is coming. We cannot find the page.
Just 1 second. I'm going to just test it out.
It's working for me. Huh? I can see already group 2. I already see people writing on that.
Yeah.
Working for me.
Yes, group 2 is already using the mural, so it's working.
So if you're using it on mobile phone, you won't be able to do it. So you have to be on a laptop. So just a reminder.
I am using laptop. Still, the message is that we cannot find the page.
Okay. Maybe if you can take the help of your members, group members, I think they have been able to.
How we can know we are belonging to this particular group?
You will get the option of seeing which room number you're in.
Group 3 also works. I just looked. Yes.
So group 1. Group 1.
Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. I can see 4 links. Group 3 works. I just checked. But can members of Group 3 also once check and validate?
Also, if you're using from Internet Explorer, the mural will not work. It needs to be on a Chrome browser. So make sure that Chrome or Firefox you're using those kind of browsers. Chrome is preferred. So if you click the link using Internet Explorer, it will not work. Yeah, please use it using Chrome browser, just in case you're not.
absent होते का?
गिरीश, ग्रुप 5 का डाला क्या?
Akanksha, group 5.
class test 1 ना?
They've already been broken up into rooms.
Oh, you also, no, I didn't do it, but ठीक है. I think.
वो कैसा गया? कैसा हो गया?
Maybe आपने click
मैंने
कर
कुछ नहीं किया. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I don't know, किसी और ने ट्राई किया होगा. कोई नहीं.
रायले त्यांच्यासाठी फक्त म्हणजे लिस्ट टाकून ब्लँक सोडून देतो.
Unassigned we have. Actually, I'm closing the room because not properly assigned. So I'm going to close the rooms.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry for this, but the rooms are not assigned properly. Especially, some of you have been given co-facilitation rights. Please don't use that on Zoom. It is just for Girish, but yeah, I think this happened by mistake. Girish, can you assign, Akanksha, can you assign the 5th group 5 mural?
Yeah, I've already assigned.
No, group 5 mural, I wanted to put you on this chat.
You want it here?
Group 5, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Group 5 is also there.
Yes, sir.
Girish, all the murals are there. Can you put them back in the same groups that they were?
Yeah. So room 5, just a recheck. If you are able to access and populate your mural.
Yeah, we are using, sir.
Perfect. So I think all rooms are now active with their murals and are able to access. How much time should I give Deepak ji? 10 minutes?
Yeah, give them 10 minutes.
So now we will.
100 करना है इनको, 10-15 से नहीं होगा, 100 करना है.
Yeah. So we are going to now open all the rooms again. We have exact.
Sir, group 4 is not working.
Hold on.
Let me see. Room 4 is Professor Anita.
Professor.
Professor.
It's working. Baba Sahib, are you seeing that on laptop or on phone?
Laptop, sir.
And are you using Internet Explorer or Google Chrome?
It's Brave.
Huh?
Brave.
No, Internet. What is the browser you're using?
Brave.
Please, you have Chrome by any chance?
Yeah.
Please shift your browser to Chrome.
Okay.
But otherwise, 4 is working. We are working on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Super. So I think we can start the rooms now. We'll have 10 minutes. Deepak ji, is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. So I am going to open all the rooms again.
Okay, there are a lot of people here. How come?
No, you have to click on a room and join.
People who have not clicked, Dr. Rupali, you'll have to click on a room for you to join. Same with Ganesh.
I'm not getting which room I am in.
You were in which room earlier? Do you remember?
Can you please share again?
Are they same as yesterday?
Group 4 link.
No.
Okay.
We cannot.
Girish,
can you please tell me which room I am in?
You are
Rupali Kulkarni.
You are in group 1.
Group 1, right?
You're unassigned, but you can join room 1. That's not an issue.
Room 1, right.
Sir, me. Where should I join?
Dr. Vaishnav.
Dr. Vaishnav, you should join. Wait, hold on. Wait.
Sir, can I know my group? Previously it was assigned as 2 only. Same group will follow?
Yeah, you can go to, it will be opened up for you to join the group.
Sir, I am in room number of
Girish,
4.
please add me to
There
group
are
one.
20
can't see
unassigned
anything.
participants.
कुछ तो problem है गिरीश.
Yeah.
Okay.
Add me in 4.
Wait, hold on. We are resolving some issues. Do you see the rooms, Dr. Anita?
Do you see the option to join?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can't see.
Okay,
You
I have
can
an option.
assign them.
You can manually assign. Ginesh.
Manually assign?
Manually assign.
Okay.
Which room do people know which room they were in?
Akshay Jadhav, Mr. Akshay Jadhav, he's not here. Mr. Chetan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which room were you in earlier?
Fifth room, sir.
Room 5. Mr. Dhananjay?
Sir, yesterday I have in the first group, 1 number.
No, not yesterday. Right now in the morning.
Sir, I don't join.
ठीक है. Dr. Pawar? Dr. H.H. Pawar?
I think most of the people who are here have just joined, so you can assign them randomly to any room.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think that's the thing. It's been
Group 4 में डालो. Put 1, 2, 3 on 4.
Mine was 2.
Who was 2?
Sir.
Srishal.
Srishal, Girish put him in 4.
Sir,
You too, no, you said?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Please add me in some group, Rupali.
Yeah. I'm just doing
Just
it.
add
I'm just doing. Yeah, done it. Yeah. I think.
Shubhangi, are you in which room are you in? Professor Bhaskar. अच्छा सबको डाल रहा है करके?
हो गया अभी. Now everyone is assigned.
Except Akanksha, Swastika, they are double entries, no? Both the Swastikas are here.
Swastika
Akanksha
is
is here. Prashant, Pawar sir, okay. Swastika, can you see? Can you do one thing? Can you look out for room? Shubhangi came out. Q?
No, I'm not able to see her. Oh, here, yeah. Oh, she's here.
Sir, I'm in room number 4.
डाल देंगे इसको असाइन कर दो. Are you using 2?
No, people
devices?
can come out of the room anytime.
No, sir. No, sir. I'm using only one device.
Acha.
You can just join. You're able to join a room on your own, right? You can go back to your room actually. You'll have to click on breakout room and say join. I've given the option for people to come out.
Sir, I was in room number 4, sir.
Go ahead. You can just join in.
Room number 2 is assigned for me, sir, right now.
तो 4 में डाल दो उनको.
This is Shubhangi. Yeah, I will move to room 4. Yeah, I've done it.
We'll have to find a way. So we have given the option of people to come out of the rooms.
Yeah, and even shift rooms. Yeah.
You're giving shift rooms, okay. That's actually good. They'll over time learn. Why is Shubhangi back here? She's been thrown out from that leave room and back here all the time, I think.
No, people can come out. So if they click on leave room, then they'll come to the main session.
Okay.
We can switch that off if it is not, if we don't want it.
Okay. Ratna Prasad is here and Sunil Kadam is here.
We have 3 minutes to, I'll just broadcast a message. 3 minutes to closing time.
Sir, I have already logged into room number 3 from a different device.
Sure.
Got it. I understood that.
No problem. Thanks. We have new people joining in now. I think I think it's 3 minutes. We will keep them here actually.
Let's look at the murals. What are people feeling?
I think can we make it square so that we can see all the points? Do you know anyone how to make this?
Sticky note. You just need to double click on that. You'll get a square.
Double click.
No. Somebody, Swastika, are you here?
We cannot see whatever we have written that goes beyond the screen.
Akanksha, you're here?
Yes, sir.
Can you go to group 1? I think they may be struggling with putting their points on mural.
Okay. I'll go.
Group 2 is okay. हमने 100 ways डाला था, अपन ने कितना ये बनाया?
नहीं, वो पूरा 100 नहीं है. We need to. They just need to double click and add more.
अच्छा.
And वो it is an area. Super. Group 2 is like super. अच्छा. Group 4 also awesome. Really nice.
Group 3.
Group 3 is catching up. Nice. And group 4. Group 4 is anyway doing it perfect. Group 1 I have to check. Yeah, slowly. Group 1 ही बहुत कम है.
We'll see. They're getting stuck somewhere. Akanksha will go and check. So what we'll do is when people come in, we'll give them a little bit more time to at least post their thing. How are we doing on time? 9. We have 4 minutes. No, for end of this?
Yeah.
Is group 5 is visible?
Yeah. Visible.
With this online thing, that's one of the challenges, that things will happen that we are not completely clear. And this suddenly somebody pressed the breakout rooms again.
Yeah.
Actually, I listened to you and made it 15 minutes right at the start.
Okay.
So breakout rooms are one learning for us is to give more time than what we think it is required.
Yeah. Can we request people to share their screen, like each of the rooms, one person?
We could do that actually.
Yeah, let's do that.
But what you could do is you can actually share for all the links, no?
No, but anyway they're populating, right? I just so that they are also comfortable. एक बार.
No, screen share man, I wanted you to have access to the to only do the share.
Okay.
सब आ गया क्या? सब आ गया वापस?
Yeah, people are coming back now. Yeah. The breakout room is closed.
Okay.
Yeah, almost.
I'll give you 2 more minutes to just write those things, no discussions. Just if you have discussed an idea and you want to put it on your mural, please do it. Some of you, your murals, I realize that will happen because breakout rooms, you don't really have control. Once you set 10 minutes, it just cuts you in between. So now that you're back, If you want to update the mural, something I discussed, 2 minutes I'll give you to update yourself.
Can somebody count them?
Yeah, we're going to do the counting. Girish will share his screen.
X is equal to A. So should I start?
We go from group 5.
Let's start with group 5. A, ma'am. A.
57.
57. Super. I'm just going to share the screen. So this is what we have here.
Super.
Wow, this is awesome. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 17. So 17 into 2, 34, into 3, 51, plus 6, 57. Awesome. That's counting is also perfect.
Well done.
That is really nice.
Group 4.
So let's
Thank
go
you,
to the
thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Or maybe around 80 or something.
Wow. Okay.
Let's count.
I'm going to start group 4 now. We have here. So this is group 4. 1, 2, 3. There are 8 in a row. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 80. 40 plus 40. 80. Wow, that is phenomenal.
Good.
Very close to 100.
Okay, group 3.
So we'll go to group 3 now.
Okay.
Okay. Is 24, 32, 1 missing, 31, and 3, 4, 35.
Okay, very good, very good.
Group 1 is 35. And now which group is there? Group 1, right?
Group 2.
Group 2 we have to do. Yeah. Wow. Group 2 also has. Again, I'm going to just share the screen. That is, so this is group 2 and it is 10, 20, 1 missing, so 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 44, and 44.
Excellent.
Group 2. That's
excellent.
Nice.
Group 1.
We're going to do group 1 now. Group 1.
Actually, group 1, only we were not able to paste it. So we were struggling. So that's why I put in the chat about 31. If I
31, you put 31.
Okay.
We'll make sure you are also able to just populate it. You just have to click on a sticky note and.
That was little, that was a big.
Yeah, not a problem. We'll say 31. That is nice. Please do populate it later.
Yes.
And cool.
Once you have populated, one of your group members or all of any doesn't really matter. Please take a screenshots and post it on IT Network.
I already posted, sir.
Oh, brilliant. Okay. Now, what is this exercise about? So this is the actual thing. While you are doing, what did you learn while you were doing this exercise?
Kind of brainstorming.
Yeah, brainstorming. But what did you learn? This is a very out of ordinary idea. No, take a simple pen and find different uses for it. What did you learn? One is brainstorming. But what did you learn about brainstorming?
To increase the emotional release.
Yeah. I would request people to just raise their hands. Hold on. Can everybody go on mute?
I'll mute all.
And raise your hands. Yeah.
I've muted all. Deepak ji, if you can just unmute yourself. I've just muted all for a second. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, so raise your hands if you want to speak so that I know who wants to speak. Otherwise, if multiple people speak, then we cannot hear each other. I'll go in my how the way it looks. Rupali ma'am, there is one option, go to reactions, down, click, and there's something option called raise hand. So you can show, that will come up on your screen. So for me, easier for me. Otherwise, if there are multiple screens, I will not be able to. Yes, brilliant. Now I know. I'll go in the order of my screen. It may not be the order in which you asked. Apologies. Yes, Dr. Somnath. You can unmute yourself. What did you learn?
So that the brainstorming and that's we collaborative work that we call as the teamwork. So we are meeting on there. So that idea sharings and all this.
Okay.
Of this mural.
Okay.
So I did that.
What about good? Rahul, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What I came to know that I got stimulus of thinking. So individually, what I could think, let's say 4 or 5 uses of pen, but when I could read that there are almost 100 uses also. So that I come to know, and there was a different way of thinking for me.
Okay, good. Thank you. Snehal?
Unconventional uses of conventional thing.
Okay.
We just think of pen as a writing tool, but now we could think of using pen for so many things to do.
Yes. I'm going to ask you one question further. Unconventional things of conventional, what did you say? Unconventional uses of a conventional thing.
Like a pen is normally used for writing, right? That's what come in our mind at the first place.
Yes.
But now during this exercise, we have done brainstorming that how this pen can be used for other non-conventional things rather than just writing, which is a conventional thing for pen.
Good. I wanted to hold on thought on unconventional. Good ideas coming. Thank you. Dr. Anita?
Sir, just taking from where just now Madam left, can we say that thinking out of the box?
Okay.
And questioning the status quo, because whenever we think of a pen, the only thing we think it is a writing instrument. But here, because we were forced to think of 100 uses, we had to think outside the box, and therefore we had to question the status quo. And then, of course, collaboration and joint, thinking about what kind of uses, we suddenly came up with about 30 of them. Like
Brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you, Dr. Anita. Dr. Dolly?
To increase our thinking ability.
Okay.
And get motivated to speak a lot of about pen uses of pen. And it's a teamwork also.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. People who have already asked the question, you can remove your hand. So I know that your question has been asked. Ravindra?
Sir, I think we have multi-utility of pen.
Okay.
Like that, we are thinking something innovative, that we can use pen as a multi-utility tool. And I think like an Indian.
Okay.
So we can
What do you
use
mean by
it
that?
anywhere.
Okay.
I can use pen for hairing. Ladies can use to band their hair with the help of pen.
Yeah.
So this thing can be think only by Indian. I think so.
But I'm just trying to think of it like an Indian. But I just wanted to, I will go to the next person, but just reflect upon what do you mean by that. We are always trying to uncover hidden meanings. You can go on mute, Ravindra. Siva?
Yes.
Siva Ratni Mohan. How do I call you, sir?
Better you can start another. You can call me in a short SRM.
SRM. Okay, good.
SRM University, SRM.
Okay.
Okay.
Please tell. Yeah.
To become an entrepreneur, the team must work.
Okay.
There is a three process of the teamwork. One is a transition process. Second one is an action process. The third one is an interpersonal process. That the three items works in our group. That's why 80 numbers could be shown in the Moraine.
Okay.
The first thing is that the transition process. Yes, everyone started to think. And a few of them started to type all the ideas with the interpretation, agreeing, disagreeing. So during the action process, yes, there was a good interpersonal relationship that works. So that's why we could be able to reach 80. So I think in this team, I could be able to find the three items to become to create a good team. Yes, like the team will make the good entrepreneur.
Brilliant. What are the three things you said? First,
transition process. Second one is a action process. Third one is a interpersonal process. The three process has worked. That's why we could be able to reach as compared to all others.
Brilliant.
I think you can find the difference between the other group and our group about more than 30.
Yeah. SRM, we are not going to compare. We are going to see what is working for us. But thank you for your point. Okay. Who else? Ratna Prasad?
Yeah, a couple of things that I observed is how even a mature people like us can think sillily when you're given a simple task of identifying the uses of a pen. And then, as pointed by some of our friends, how effective teamwork can help you uncover the weird ideas.
I'm going to latch on to the topic of silly. Okay, it's a very important point. Okay, our impression of what is silly, and I think we also got the idea of unconventional, out of the box, challenging status quo. I'm going to hold on to a few words people said. Okay, does anybody wants else to share? Deepak Patil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, with this activity, we understand first, then we communicate, and then we execute whatever the task we have assigned.
Okay.
These things I want to share with you.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Minal?
Yes, sir. So basically what I learned was that when we are into any venture or when we are thinking about any project, then we should be very, very simple. We should look things around us. Because when we were trying to find out the points, we were just, initially we start with big things that, okay, we can write. And then gradually when we came down to the very simpler things around us, which can make our life comfortable, then, we came up with the ideas. So, the simpler things around us can be the game changer, actually.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you, Minal. SRM again? SRM, you have a new question or you had an old question? Because I see your hand up again. If your question, if you wanted, your share is the old one, can you just remove your hand? Or if it's a new one, please go ahead, unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Prashant?
Sir, my opinion is about that if you are now challenged or any task given for the thinking, we never focus on that particular thing. For example, now during a pandemic also, what will be the coming, the issue or situation will be coming. Accordingly, we have the solution. Similar thing, when we have task given and accordingly we focus on that, so that we will be thinking. Otherwise, pen is used for only writing. We never think behind that.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prashant. I am going to use the idea of challenge, what you mentioned. If no one else has raised their hands, I'm going to ask the next question. Okay. What I want you to do is also, Girish, are you capturing this in a mural?
Yes. Should I share it now?
No, don't share it. I want people who set these points to also keep updating on Mighty Networks. Remember, we are becoming design thinkers. You want to look, in design thinking, there is not a clear path. But for each one of you, there will be an opening. And for each one of you, the opening is different. To unblock your mind. So keep using the Mighty Networks, keep posting it. Same thing, reflection, sharing, listening. Once and you can do that in person here, or you can do it on Mighty Networks. How you'll unblock your mind, I don't know. And we're just looking at different processes in which to help you do that. Okay, so please update whatever points have been mentioned here also on Mighty Networks. Girish is anyway capturing that in a mural, which is going to also update on mural over time. But I want to go to the second question. Okay, and the second question is, in the first 30 or 2 minutes, when I gave this challenge, what first came in your mind? You understand the question? When I first gave you 2 minutes, and you first for group, or even when you're in a group, first things what came to your mind? Please reflect. Give 2 minutes. Give 2 minutes to just think over, write before sharing. Again, by sharing, please raise your hands so that I can ask them in the order in which they came. Okay, please write it. First think, what is the first thing that came into your mind when I asked you this question? 100 uses of the product, or the first things that you discuss when you're in a group? Give yourself 2 minutes to reflect. Okay, you may begin sharing. People who want to share, please raise your hands. SRM, you can unmute yourself and speak. Yes, you're on mute. You're still on mute. You have to unmute yourself. I'm going to speak for you, SRM. I can't hear you. SRM says, accept the challenge as an opportunity fixed on the goal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So what the challenges you have given as an opportunity, like that only we felt. Yes. Then, however, you have fixed the goal about the 100 achievement. But based on the strength and the weakness of the team, we could able to explore how we can reach that goal or our goal like that.
Okay. Thank you so much.
This is the first what came into our mind. Yes, we have taken as an opportunity. That's why we have worked. Why we must do this task. So only the use of the pen, in what way that will be useful for us. So differently we can think, but we have taken as an opportunity.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you so much. Ratna Prasad?
The first thing that comes to mind is, can we really think about 100 uses of a pen?
Got it. Thank you.
But when But when we, again, as we said, when we start discussing about among the group, you can come up with so many ideas that if we have a time, again, we can write more than 100 users.
Absolutely. Thank you. But I'm just looking at the initial thought. The initial thought that came into your head was, can we really think of 100 ideas? Can I do this? Okay, good. Mr. Patil, GR Patil, initially only conventional ideas came to mind. Okay. That came up before also. And then other ideas came. Okay, good. Anybody else? Ratnaprasad, you can remove your hand. Yes, Rupali?
So the first thing came to my mind was how people of different ages handle pen in my home. My kid will operate it differently. I will operate it differently. My in-laws will operate it differently. So every ages makes difference on how we use it. So I started thinking in that way.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay. What else? Yes, Dr. Tripti?
I think the initial thought which came to my mind was that, it is not such a difficult task, but maybe with a team, I can do great things. I can come up with a lot of ideas, which individually I may not be able to think in such a short period of time.
Yes. Good, good. For maybe a difficult task for me, but not a difficult task for the team. Is that what you're saying, Dr.
Yes.
Tripti?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Come on, let's see people. How many people can be more authentic, a little bit more deeper? Nobody thought, what a silly idea. Come on, how many people said, for the silly, stupid idea? I'm so much work I have. I've come here for this workshop. Ye kya drama hai? Did somebody think of this? Come on, be honest.
I could see Anita ji smiling and nodding in case she wants to
No,
say
actually,
something.
it's not like I just thought, okay, how come pen, if you're having any other different use, why we are not like, it's like a curiosity to know more what else can be done with that, what are the other uses we can do. That got really clear.
Okay. But nobody thought, because the idea of silly ideas came up before, but what is silly and what is not silly? Who makes this distinction? Who makes this distinction on what is silly?
Our own thoughts.
Your own thoughts.
Yes, our own. We are our own enemy of ours. Nobody else.
So it comes from a judgmental mind. As we grow older, and usually we start having opinions, strong opinions about things, people, circumstances. And you can see yourself saying, no, yeah, sahi hai. I can give you examples, right? ये engineer वाले ऐसे ही होते हैं. These MBA fellows are like this only. ये civil वाले ऐसे ही होंगे. ऐसे ही सोचते. Computer वाले ऐसे ही सोचेंगे. These men are like this. Women are like this. We start developing strong ideas of people. वो बच्चे तो ऐसे ही होंगे. We start developing it. But I want to explore that idea, not give a lecture. But be honest. First thing that came, real first thing. One thing is it just a silly, stupid idea? Why am I even doing this? ये ऐसा नहीं आया आपको? What other things came up in your head? Somebody mentioned, ये मुझसे होगा क्या? Can I do this? It looks daunting. Can I do 100? 100 seems too big. Yeah, 5, I could have think 5. 100 is too big. Challenge, it's too big for me. Too big for me. और क्या है? People use unconventional. Unconventional is a better word for silly, but actually means the same thing. Out of the box. In the box, out of the box. Okay? Come on, dig a little deeper, guys. We want you to open up. what was the first thing that came up? First 2-3 seconds, 5 seconds. You know, it will hit you. It will always hit you, not here, anywhere else. That depends upon what are the things that each of us are different. Some people are troubled by something else, some people are troubled by something else. But what did this thing came to you? How did it affect you, this exercise? SRM said that they saw this as a challenge, as an opportunity. But we also said the power of team, the power of brainstorming, other people thinking helped me think, unconventional ideas, thinking out of the box, breaking. Whose box is it? It's my box. Who's put the box? I have put my box. So thinking out of the box is basically breaking my box. Box is a judgment. This is an example of a beginner's mind. This is all what we will do for the next 5 days, is get you to break your box through different exercise. This is what designers do. This is what design thinking is about. It's about breaking. First thing is about breaking your box. Think, not convention, unconvention. Break your box. Once you break your box, things are no longer conventional or unconventional. Does it serve the purpose or does it not? That's all. Okay. Thank you so much. Whatever you want to put it on Mighty Networks. Girish, after some time, you're going to put the thing on Mural.
Sure.
Was this okay? Was this beginner's mind? We are closing this topic of beginner's mind as a session, but we're all about beginner's mind. Okay. In the afternoon, we have at 11:30 Dr. Anbu coming and speaking about a theory of this is one piece where Dr. Anbu and I don't know if what's the guy's name?
Ramakrishna.
Ramki will come, but hopefully he comes. Both of them, they come. They're able to give them an entire masterclass on what design thinking is from the entire process. Okay, we'll pick it up. Now, what I want you to do is very simple. We will going to work in groups for the next 4 days. The groups are going to be decided on what you guys want to work upon, your ideas, right? Remember, think of a problem, don't think of a solution. Don't think I want to use AI for student placements. That's coming from a solution point of view. What is the problem? What is the problem that you want to fix? And because this is a social entrepreneurship space, we're going to talk about what is the social problem. It doesn't have to be a big social problem. Just think about, at this point, don't even bother whether it's social or not social. Just think about a problem. What is the problem that you want to fix? And that is not clear. In many times, most of the design thinking, we are essentially not trying to go to the solution till we are very, very clear on what the problem really is. The work is on problems and not on solutions. Solutions will come later. Are we clear on what problem we're trying to solve? That has to be done. And that is the process. We'll use the group processes, teamwork to be able to help us arrive at what the problem is. So, Girish, we'll have to open up a mural. So this process is not going to end. We'll continue after Dr. Anbu's presentation as well. At 11, we're going to break for tea. We'll come back 11:30. Dr. Anbu and Ramki will come and speak, and we are going to pick it up much later. So this process, this exercise that we're going to do is not going to end, but we'll get started. Okay. Okay,
Girish, sir.
Ashwini.
Girish, sir.
Yes, Akshay, sir.
I'm having my lecture on 10:30. Can I leave the session now? 10:30
Yes,
to 11:30. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think okay. Ashwini, I'm just looking at some comment. If you are less interested in a particular topic, then we thought it is silly. Okay. Okay, we covered that. Girish, Miru?
Should I open? So people, do we create breakout rooms?
No, hold on. I need to explain the problem.
Okay. Should I open a mural?
You open up a mural.
Blank mural, right?
Open up a blank mural. Hold on. Now I want you to open that mood space.
Okay. So I'll.
Mood space का template use करके we are going to create group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. And what we are going to do is this this is going to be a process of discovering what you want to work upon. I asked you to think about some ideas. What you want to work upon? What is your social idea? What is your what idea do you want to have? Whether it's an entrepreneurship, whether it is a social entrepreneurship, whether there's something that you want to create an ecosystem in your college, you want to do something in the community, something for financial literacy, something for I saw some comments on sustainable fishing on mural, but it doesn't matter. Okay, keep getting the ideas. Then you have to find people who have similar ideas. That is your challenge today, is to find people with similar ideas. For people who don't have ideas, look at the murals, look at what ideas they would like to work with. If you have ideas, invite other people to work with you. If you don't have ideas, find which ideas resonate with you and go and start working on those ideas. In this, please remember, it is okay. If you don't have an idea, that's also fine. If you have an idea, that's also fine. We'll discover along the way. You just worry about which problem, which area, which sector, which kind of user, whom are you wanting to develop this for? We'll use it very broadly. Okay. Then over time, we'll come to that specific problem. It will take time. Yes, can you share your screen, please?
Yeah.
ऊपर इमेजेस निकाल दे. वो न्यू इमेज नहीं है. Just rename that mood spaces as something.
Only one single mural, no?
Yeah, one single mural. Mood spaces मत rename it groups. Yeah.
Groups. Group 4.
Yeah.
मतलब some group.
Groups डाले. Groups मत ले. ऊपर जा. और वो सब वो जो हर एक फ्रेमवर्क के ऊपर लिखा है ना, फोटोज, कलर्स, उसको चेंज कर. You can't change it, no? वो बेसिकली अनलॉक करके मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. चलिए काम कर. Just open up ये
blank
sticker, blank. No. Double click. Sticky note. Call it group 1. 1 डाल दे, चलेगा. बड़ा सा लिख. वो नहीं रे, लिख बड़ा लिख. Sorry, I was not being clear. हाँ ऐसा तब बड़ा दिखना चाहिए. So कम कर. Just try to reduce the size. No, sorry. Reduce the size of the sticky note. हाँ उसको ऊपर डाल दे. उसके ऊपर. हाँ perfect. अभी ऐसा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Share this mural with the participants. What you want you to do is, if you have an idea, sit on one of those spaces. But remember, you are trying to communicate to other people why they should come and work with you on this mural. People who have ideas. So you are almost क्या बोलते हैं उसको, trying to find co-founders for your idea. I want to work with you. This is a great opportunity to use the group processes, teamwork, other people's ideas, other people's ingenuity, and work with one another to perfect that idea. This process is going to help you. Even if you have a small idea, ये कर सकते हैं, then fine. As long, remember, there are only 5 groups. Okay, so if the idea, put your idea to the closest idea you have to somebody else. Then in the groups, you're going to sit together and come to a consensus. What should be the idea that you're going to work on? That's the next exercise. Don't worry. For now, just share that link to people.
Yeah. I just 1 second. I remove this part.
अभी लॉक हो गया ऑफिस.
So this group will be created by you or what?
It will be created by you. There are no breakout rooms this time, sir. You're all going to work together on this because we have till now we have used breakout rooms as a way to get some processes going. Now you have to find people who you want to work with on that idea, whatever that idea that might be. So it's an entire plenary will work on it, but trying to find areas where you have resonance with other people. We are still not clear. We have not come to the problem definition space, but this is just understanding what should I work on. Just broadly, I want to work on this. You should always keep the your screen open, so that I know that. Yeah.
Okay.
And just give the link to people.
Yeah, I've just pasted the link on chat,
Okay.
so you guys will be able to check it out.
So there are 6 groups are going to get formed. In the 6 groups, remember, if your ideas are similar, please start coming together. People who have ideas should go off the block first. People who are already working on something should go off the block first. People who are struggling in some area of their work and they want that area of work to improve, I don't know what that it might be, you should go first because you're trying to be looking at everybody. If you have a startup idea, always had a startup idea, you've been working in a faculty, but you wanted to work on something. Maybe it's a side project, maybe it's a hobby project. Doesn't matter. Or you found that some people you always felt, yeah, iske saath, we should do something for these people. Could be anything, could be farmers, teachers, slum children, students of the school, teachers of the school. Doesn't really matter. Non-teaching staff, community members, community leaders, panchayat leaders, civic authorities, students with drug problems. Don't know what it is. What are you naturally inclined to? Man se aa raha. It is illogical. There's coming from the heart. Design thinking is a combination of head, hand, and heart. Your core ideas will always come from the heart. What appeals to you illogically, emotionally. It does not have to make sense. I repeat, it does not have to make sense. And when you're writing, please ensure that you put your name also on your post-it, because so that you know who is posting this, who's posted that particular poster. So if you want to form groups, then you know each other.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I can't access the mural. I mean, it was happening in the morning also, but I thought there may be a little technical error. When we were into breakout rooms, I was not able to access the mural,
Yes.
which was given to room 5.
You are on a laptop?
Yeah, very much. And I'm accessing through Chrome only.
Okay. It should not be a problem. Akanksha, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can you look at, just work with Tripti to see what's her problem? You'll have to, can you create, Girish, can you create a breakout room for only Akanksha and Dr. Tripti?
Yeah.
what Patil sir has mentioned on his chat, the same message is being displayed on my.
May I know your name, ma'am? You are?
I'm Tripti, Dr. Tripti Barthwal.
Dr. Tripti, yeah.
I'll also put Deepti Tamboli in the same group.
Yeah.
Ashwini Dikshit, GR Patil.
GR Patil.
Okay. Akanksha, Dr. Tripti, Dr. Deepti Tamboli,
GR Patil.
GR Patil, and
Ashwini Dikshit ji.
Ashwini Dikshit ji, yes.
Also, suggestion for all of you who are updating Mural, kindly reduce the size of the post-it so other post-its can also be seen. Reduce your font and reduce your size of the post-it so we can read multiple. Conversely, for people who have written it very small, please increase the font and the size of the post-it. So a balance karna. So then people will be able to see what is being written.
I think Dr. Anita has raised her hand.
Yeah, Giri
Yes.
sir, can you put me on that
Breakout room?
group 1 where Rupali Kulkarni madam is there? Because I am also sharing the same interest, spreading financial literacy.
No, we have not
No,
done. This is not for that. This is for people who are having some issues with Mural.
Yeah. Others, please stay on the same session. They're just
They haven't
fixing
broken
some-
into groups. We will not be breaking into groups till post lunch. We are just trying to resolve this. This group, understanding on what idea do you want to work on? What is the kind of things that you want to? This is for the next 2 days, 3 days. It could be the start of something bigger. It is just for you to practice something. That's all fine. Just try to create for yourself different sections on the mural. Can you also put
Prashant?
Sir, I want to work on sustainable technology, but I have downloaded it, but it's not working properly because I'm accessing from mobile.
You can't access from mobile.
Mobile, yeah. That's the challenge.
Okay. Okay.
So I have work on sustainable technology.
Maybe I can populate it for you. I can do that. If you want to elaborate it a little bit more, sustainable technologies.
Now there is an electronic vehicle are coming with the sustainable solution. So because this is a social issue actually.
So I'll say electronic vehicle, EV.
Not at lottery. There are biodiesel, biofuel
Biofuels.
now coming. Yeah.
Biofuels, biodiesel. Wonderful. I'll put your name also, Prashant.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, sir. Gaurav. Hello, sir. I'm
Yes,
unable
who is this?
to edit my speaking notes. Gaurav, sir. I'm unable to edit my speaking notes here.
This is Gaurav.
Gaurav is saying he's not able to.
Yes, yes.
I couldn't hear. Your voice is not very clear. Your voice is not very clear. You have to repeat.
Sir, I'm unable to edit my sticky notes.
I'm unable to edit his sticky notes. That's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Are you on mobile, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm using mobile with
Yeah.
also.
Oh, PC also. Are you on?
Purpose I'm using. Yeah.
Okay. Are you on the Chrome browser?
Yeah. I was able to edit. Now I have written something, but after some time it's get a blocker. I'm unable to edit it.
Double click on it. No, sorry. Single click on it. Single click on that button. On that. Single click on your poster. Were you able to make Gaurav?
Also, if that does not work, sir, you can make another sticky note and delete the one which you want to change.
Okay.
गिरी जूम में चैट करने के टाइम एट फंक्शन चलता नहीं है क्या?
You
नहीं चलता है.
have to choose the person you want to respond to.
Oh, so but in a main chat I want to say
at
Girish नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं. I think Professor Ashish has sent in an entry on chat. I'm going to just paste it here.
But already
solar pump in agriculture, solar.
Let him post it directly.
Sir, can we not add the sticky note from the mobile phone itself?
No, you can't do it. The Mural platform, the app on for mobile phones is only for viewing, not for editing.
Okay. And if, the similar thing, if I'm doing it from my laptop now, I'm not getting the link from that chat. Actually, I'm being left out of that room. And also there is a problem on my laptop internet access.
You can probably tell me, then I can populate it.
Just put it on chat. Just put it on chat.
Just put it on chat. I'll copy it on.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I will do it.
Yeah. Same for Ashish. He's using a mobile phone.
Yeah, I have populated his idea.
Yeah.
Onto the,
Sir, Mural from mobile does what? You need to click on the sticky note and choose the option of edit. Then it works.
Perfect. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, I did that. I just did that from my mobile as well.
You're on Apple or?
I'm on Apple. Yeah.
Apple, yeah.
Apple में चलता है क्या?
Apple has an app for Mural. Android is a challenge.
You need to select the sticky notes and then it will give you an option for copy and edit. So once I clicked on edit, I was able to make a change.
But people are saying that they can't do it on Android. We have tested it. So वो चला नहीं, but we never know. We'll look at it. Girish, can you also check that whether on Android we can edit
You know,
it?
sir, this last 1 year, as a faculty, it has taught us to use many different tools, be it on the different platforms. So we have explored most of them. So that's the reason why I was like.
Excuse me, can I say something?
Sure.
Sure. My words were actually I wanted to work in educational sector, and it is being posted in the third one. I want to work more for education sector of underprivileged children.
So what's the issue?
Yes, sir. Only that much. Thank you.
I will populate it. You are ma'am name?
Sir,
Garima.
Dr. Garima Srivastava.
Or Dr. Gani.
If you want me to address you as doctor, please put that in the introduce yourself as Dr. Garima Srivastava or anybody for that matter.
Sir, that doesn't make a difference. Actually, we all, if we are in academics, so we are somewhere doctors in ourselves. So,
okay.
Thank you, sir.
Nope.
So can I add a thing? This is Ratna Prasad here.
Yes, please.
Yeah, we actually had a design thinking innovation course for all our students of engineering this last academic year. So it's like we are kind of used to all these kind of tools. So that is the one reason why maybe I was able to access them pretty easily.
Okay, brilliant. I'm so happy that you are still choosing to attend with us.
Yeah, I mean, I just wanted to see, how sustainable social entrepreneurship can be thought of in a design thinking perspective. That's the reason why I wanted to attend this workshop.
Okay, brilliant. I'll just give you a clue. In the product developing a product space, sometimes the problems are less complex than when you're working in on social issues. So many times in design thinking, you will have to combine that with systems thinking to really figure out where the problem here in social entrepreneurship is. But that's getting it complicated. We'll cover that. We will not cover that. Sorry, we will not cover that. I take it back. But I'm saying that's a clue. Since you're already familiar with design thinking, one way to understand what the problem in the social world is not clear. Where is the problem located? It takes time for you to understand. That is
clear defining of a problem clearly is again the core of the issue here when you're talking about a social entrepreneurship.
In a closed innovation process, it's easier. In open systems, the closed systems and open systems. In open systems, it becomes very complex.
You don't have any feedback, right? Yeah.
No, the feedback also sometimes very delayed.
Yeah, that's true.
Which is why social problems are not very easily solvable. अरे किसने पूरा यही कर दिया? ये कौन है? People have gone off screen also.
No, I think that is Zoom annotation, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
I stop my share and yeah, that's a Zoom annotation. I just.
Can you give me the link again? Here on this chat.
Yep, I will just do that. You're able to read the ideas on the screen? Is it?
No, that's exactly what I want to do the app, the link for. Request for participants to just put your name on all the post-its. If a post-it belongs to you, please put your name. Because we want to create groups based on that. You will know, but also for other people to know what they. Girish, you can stop your screen share. I see very few people here who are actually putting something. If you don't have an idea, then you have to find people and then go there. Okay.
Farzana ji, I have updated like the mural with your idea.
Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Ideas, you can work on ideas, but we are going to officially go on a break. At 11:30, we'll have the design masterclass by Dr. Anbu, and we join back at 11:30. You can continue work on our ideas. This is going to continue after the masterclass post lunch at 2:30. Okay. The idea is to form your own team. So I'm seeing certain patterns on people writing on education. Somebody wants to work on waste management, water. Somebody wants to work on electricity problem, financial literacy, and we will start. Just see. So some, for example, I'm already seeing that group 4 is mostly on education. Okay, I'm going to rename group 4 as education. People who want to about education. Okay?
Because you just need to be a little louder. Your voice is not.
So I'm saying group 4 have as education.
Yeah.
What a gap. Mural slow ho gaya mere liye. Is it because a lot of people are working on it?
We'll check it out. For me, I'm able to.
Yeah. Then
it.
can you rename that? I'm finding it very difficult to rename. Group 4 education. And for participants, if you have written anything on education, please bring that post-it note to group 4. It's down below.
You're not audible.
Yeah, I know. Hold on.
So this is, just to reiterate, this is the 4th group is education. So all the education post-its, whoever have posted education related items, we will bring it into group 4.
But we are breaking for a tea break. We'll join at 11:30. I'll be back at 11:30, but keep working on it. In the meanwhile, Girish, could you also post all the murals on Mighty Networks?
Sure.
Yeah, and also for participants, if you want to update your Mighty Networks, this is a good time. Okay? I'm not logging off, but switching off my video and audio. I'll be back at 11:30. Are you in touch with Dr. Anbu? He's coming at 11:30.
Yeah, I'm in touch.
I'll be back at 11:20.
Yeah. So we are breaking now. The session will restart at 11:30. You can choose to stay on this link. The link will be active, or you can go take a short break and come back.